Hi there, everyone. So, in this presentation, we are going to have a look at assignment 2. So, this for this presentation, I had to make two records and assign some roles. So, sorry, not two records, to add two roles and then allow them to have access to different parts of the website. So, the first one we're going to have to look as an employee. So, an employee would have access to the customer information. They would be able to create new customers. So the reason for this being they can always contact the customer if needed. They'd have their phone number and customer email in case they want to ask what would be the best time for us to go to their home and fix their computer or tablet or whatever it is. They would also have access to computer information, etc., etc. However, when you log out and you sign in as an administrator, so here we are. We sign in as an administrator. You have access to everything. You can delete the records that are already in there. You can edit them. You can add more details to them. And you can always create new records if you'd like to. And finally would be the general public. So general public would not have access to the customer information or to the computer information or be able to add new records. This is because you would not want anyone from the normal public to have access to someone's personal information such as their phone number or email. That would totally not be good for the website. And that is basically it for the assignment.